Welcome to another video of Tutorial 91 Guy. In this video I will teach you how to create simple database and table using PHP commands without going on your MSQL server, or you could say my PHP admin. Alright, so I'll be using Notepad++ throughout the video. Let's begin. First we will create HTML form. As you can see, I have already saved my page in my XAMPP server. It's the name of my localhost server. The method here will be post, and the action would take place on the very same page. The name of the page is create db and create db and db.php. Alright, so let's have some input fields. Input name is equal to, type is equal to, and the placeholder. I'm gonna copy it. In the last one I'm gonna change the word placeholder to value. It would say submit. The name of the button will be SB. Type would be submit. Here type would be text. Name of the button would be db text database. Alright, and it would say table. So our form is done. Now let's start up with PHP. Open the PHP tags and start with if in brackets type asset, bracket open $_post, in brackets type SB. So if the button SB is clicked, then db is equal to mysql underscore real underscore escape underscore string. So this command basically escapes, it doesn't count the HTML codings. Like if someone tries to hack your website, it prevents it from that. $_post, and the name would be db. If you remember that we have named our database thing over here db over there in the form. So now we're gonna check if the user has fulfilled our requirements, that is those fields db and db. Else echo out please fulfill please fulfill both the fields. Alright, so if db, so we're gonna create a database now. First we're gonna connect to our SQL host, mysql underscore connect. I don't have any password, so I will leave the last of the you could say double quotes blank. That is my host and this is my username. Alright, so we will create a database now. DTB. It's a variable for creating database. You could take anything instead of this. MySQL underscore query. Create database, and the name of the database is db. Alright, so after creating the database, it would echo out database named db created. Alright, now we will create table. First we have to select the database. So I will create here another variable naming select is equal to mysql underscore select underscore db. That would select the database that has been created recently, and the name is db. Alright, so now we will create a table. Here I'm gonna create another variable name db1, which will create table. So create another SQL query, create table, and the name would be db. Let's describe the fields. The first field would be of name, and the type would be varchar, length values 25. Second field age, type int, length values 2. Third field email. Now, oh sorry, email, and the type would be text. So after that it will echo out table named db created. Alright, so now I will save this page and test it. Alright, so I will enter my local host. Alright, as you can see here I have created db and db.php. I will open it up. As you can see I have two columns. Here I will input the name of the database. First we will also open up PHP admin, my PHP admin, to check if our database is created or not. The name of our database would be tutorial, and the table name would be guy. Okay, submit. So database name tutorial created, table name guy created. If we refresh it, here is a database named tutorial, and in that a table named guy. You could see in guy, if you go to structure, you could see as we define name over there as the first field, and the type is varchar with length value 25. Second age with type integer, length value 2. Third email with the type text. Thank you guys for watching my video. The script of this tutorial would be available on my website. I would appreciate if you would request me for more tutorials if you want any. Thanks for watching. Subscribe me, rate, like, share, comment if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.